Jamal has a collection of 12 eggs that he wants to display in rows. He wants the same number of eggs in each row. What are the different ways for Jamal to arrange his eggs? He can represent them in 2 rows of 6 eggs each, as 2 rows times 6 eggs is 12 eggs. He can also group them in 3 rows of 4 eggs each, as the product of 3 and 4 is also 12. How are 2, 3, 4, and 6 related to 12? They are factors of 12 because they divide the dividend completely, leaving no remainder. If 2, 3, 4, and 6 are factors of 12, what is 12 called in mathematical terms? In mathematics, the number 12 is then the multiple of all these factors. The result obtained after multiplying a number by a natural number. In other words, multiples of a number can be obtained by multiplying that number with 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Similarly, 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16 divide 16 completely. Therefore, these numbers are factors of 16. On the other hand, 16 is the multiple of these numbers. Let's take number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15, and so on. So the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. The dots show that the list of multiples of a number is infinite. Observe that the numbers 5, 10, 15, and so on are the products or answers to the multiplication table of 5. That is to say, multiples can be obtained from multiplication tables. Similarly, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and the list goes on. Look at this example. Is 20 a multiple of 3? The multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. See that 20 is not included as a multiple of 3. We can find this through another method. 3 is not a factor of 20 because 3 does not divide 20 completely. So 20 is not a multiple of 3. Moving on, can you find multiples of 6 that are between 18 and 42? Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and on and on. So the multiples between 18 and 42 are 24, 30, and 36. Let's test ourselves. Take 1 minute to find the multiples of these numbers. Find the first 4 multiples of 7. Remember that multiples of 7 can be obtained by multiplying it by natural numbers. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. And 7 times 4 is 28. Thus, the first 4 multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, and 28, which is basically recalling 7's multiplication table. Is 24 a multiple of 4? Four divides completely into 24, and the remainder is 0. This means that 4 is a factor of 24. Since 4 is a factor of 24, 24 is a multiple of 4. In this video, we learned about multiples. A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by counting numbers. A number always has an unlimited number of multiples.